I must get to you too.
Yeah. When I hear the rain against the window, used to love the sound of rain. Used to go walking up the mountains for hours, you know, just having that cool breeze come in from the sea, and that's where I go in my mind sometimes. And that door opens and I'm back in here. With no fruit and no.
Told you can have some with Turkish delight. Here, take a chunk. What are apples for, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, alright. And here, in return, right, you can have some of me turkey roll.
Well, that's very generous of you.
Okay. 2 sheets, 1 chunk.
4.
3.
Touched.
Deal. Okay. So that's 2 chunks, which makes 6 sheets. Yeah. Gotta get closer.
Don't pair it.
I'm not tearing it. How many is that? 5.
So, don't squelch on it now. How many is that? 9. Thanks. Do you mind if I save them till later?
Oh, they're yours now. You can do with them as you please.
Thank you.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
It's a bit awkward to ask.
Look, what is said here stays here between us.
Do I snore?
What?
Do I snore?
Well,
No, come on, you can tell me do I snore, I can take it.
well, yes.
Is it loud?
What do you mean by loud?
Well, you know what I mean, like, loud.
Well, it can be at times.
How loud?
Very.
Shit.
Who's Gloria?
What?
Gloria. Who's Gloria?
Why'd you ask?
Because I have to say, man, the things you get up to with Gloria. When you're not snoring like a wailing heat, you're going on about Gloria, wherever she is.
Christ.
Yeah, look, that's when I got these. Look, just to help me sleep.
Earplugs?
Yeah, well, I didn't want to hurt your feelings. Besides, your shenanigans with Gloria were the soap opera on their own.
Here. Crapper says the whole wing has them.
Yeah, well, not the whole wing.
Really?
Yeah. Deaf Johnny doesn't have them because he's deaf.
How long?
Oh, ages.
Ages.
Yeah. There were a few times when I did think of getting that pillow there and just smudding you with it in the middle of the night.
Really, that bad?
Yeah, well, that's when I got these and was scrolling.
Fucking scroll!
Yeah, he says he does a raging business because of you.
Right. Well, I'll go back to my paper, son.
Look, it could be worse. Yeah?
Yeah, it could be worse, Harry. Could be sharing the cell with Crapper after he had me fruit and nut.